Hey guys, Trent Warner here, giving you the insight to Facebook. What the prerequisite to getting started here today is you have to have a Facebook account set up for yourself. What we're going to do is we're going to walk through with my business partner, Bill Scherpenberg, and we are going to get Facebook set up from a business standpoint. Okay, so you've already got your personal site set up. Bill, go ahead and log into your site. Okay, so we're going to log in. They're always prompting you to bring new people in. So what you want to do is you log into your site and you want to go to the home page. So click on the upper right hand corner on the home page. Okay, Google has changed their format over, so they're trying to make everybody understand their new format. Here's the deal: go to your Facebook, go to the home page like Bill just did. Go to the bottom of that page, because what we want to do is we want to set up a Facebook page that just talks about our business so that we're not sending all of our business stuff out to our family and our friends and all the people that we've been communicating with on Facebook. So at the bottom of that page, you're going to see create a page. Go ahead and click on that. Okay, this is the create a page for yourself within Facebook. You have two different options on here that I want to talk to people about. One is you can either sign up as a local business here where Bill is clicked, or you can go right below there and you can actually sign up as an individual or make yourself kind of like a rock star kind of status thing. So what I would recommend is that you actually do local business. Okay, go into local business, find your category, go ahead and type in your business name, and your address. Now, this is important because you're categorizing yourself. It's just like when you're trying to do SEO or get ranked on Google, they want to know what category you're in. They also want to know what your geographic location is. So make sure that you fill all this information out so that when people do searches, they can find you. Because remember, 1 out of 5 searches done on Facebook and done on Google are geographically specific. Okay, so you're going to put all your stuff in there, you're going to agree, you're going to get started. Okay, here we go. Now this is, what I want to do is see how Bill says Union Savings Bank, get started. I want you to edit that information because what we want is we want your company's name and your info right next to it. So I want you to click on Edit Info, go up to the top of that page where it says the name. Name, Union Savings Bank. Name, Union Savings Bank. And then put a dash. And then put your name. So if it's, another example would be, let's say you're a real estate agent or you're a insurance agent or whatever you are. You're going to have the name of your company, whether it's Remax, whatever company you work for, slash your name, and then what your function is. In Bill's case, it's going to be loan officer. In your case, realtor, insurance, financial advisor, whatever your title is, put it in there. Okay. Now, the other top of that thing is we want to go up to the top there and put in pick a topic. Right here. Community page. Click a topic, and what the topic is on Bill's is going to be mortgage finance. So people can find him. Okay, now what you want to do at the category, go to local business. So now you're in a local business page. You are across the top. You're going to have a local business page, which you chose. Okay, then you're going to go to banking and finance. And then also, if anyone puts in mortgage or finance, what you really want to do is you want to put your keywords in right there. So if you're a realtor, you want to put buying, selling, FSBO, REO, so on and so forth. So you want to put all that information in right there. So, Bill, why don't you put in there foreclosure? All right, or you just put in mortgage and finance. Put in foreclosure as well. Put commas in between all the stuff. Those are just like your keywords. Okay. All right, good. Now all that information is pretty much set up. What you want to do is you want to add your hours in there. Like Bill's is going to be Monday through Friday, or Monday through Sunday, 8 to 9 or something like that. You want to know, you're going to tell people when they can call you. This is important because people are on there all hours of night. And then you want to apply it to all days down in the lower left-hand corner. And click Add. Okay? So, now you're going to have to give a little blurb about your business. You're going to give a description about yourself. Okay? Now, this is where, when I talk to you guys about building your 250 bios, 250-word bios, that's where it goes. I don't want you to put a description of your company in there. I want you to put a description of yourself in there. And then I want to put a value statement about your company in the about. Okay, because this page is about you. It's really not about your company. You want people to feel comfortable with you. Okay, so you're just going to go and keep working through there. Price range, that's nothing. You don't have to fill any of that stuff out. You do want to put your website in there. What you want to put in here is you want to put in at the bottom, when you go down to the very bottom right before Save Changes, you want to put your email address in there so they can get a hold of you, because we're going to give them a call to action on everything that we do. And then what you want to do at the bottom and under the website is you want to put your blog site in there. And the blog site is your WordPress blog address, because you want to drive that traffic to WordPress blog, because that's where all our transactions are going to happen. Bill doesn't have his set up yet, so we're going to skip it, but you guys already have yours set up, so fill that in. Send them to your WordPress blog site. Okay, after you're done with that, save it. Okay, you've got your banner all set up now. Now you've got your shingle hung out there. Okay, his information is updated. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to go down, because what you're going to do is you're going to work down this left-hand side here. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to go up here and we want to put your friends in now, or invite people to this thing. So what we want to do is go to, just click back on the up button there. Click back again. There we go. Okay, so now we're back to the beginning. Everything's been saved, but now what we're going to do is we're going to invite friends. Okay, so we've got everything set up. We've got our logo put in there. Everything is set up. Now go up to the top, Bill, and it says invite friends. When you go to invite friends, I'm just going to show you this, because what you want to do is you want to go to your, this will pull in all of your friends that are already in your personal Facebook thing. So you're going to invite them over from your personal Facebook over to your business page. So if you have contacts in there that are people that you've done business with in the past, or whatever, people that you would want to introduce to your business, you pull them over right here. Okay, so you go through, you make a couple, click on a couple of those, Bill. Let's show them how this works. We're just going to click on a couple people that we can add and bring over. Okay, submit. Okay, so what Bill just did right there is he just invited everyone that was in his Facebook personal page over to his business, because we're keeping them separate here. Okay, now step number 3. Step number 3 is something that we're going to be building in the classes, and this is the way it works. Click on import contacts. Okay, this is where we're going to drag over all of your business contacts, and we're going to build your connections. In our class, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about things like the I-75 corridor connection. We're going to talk about the Mid-Atlantic connection. We're going to talk about the Arizona connection strategies. What we're going to do is we're going to import about 500 new realtor industry lead source contacts for you every week in our class. Okay, so the way we're going to do that is Bill's going to show you here in a second. Bill has a series of databases set up for you that have 500 people loaded in them. I think this one's only got 200, but when you come to class, you're going to see 500. So what Bill's going to do is Bill in the class, he's going to give you an email address, he's going to give you a password, and he's going to click on Find Contacts. Yahoo.com. You got to make sure you get the email address in there, right? Okay, there we go. So put your email address in there. It's going to look something like this. Now you can do the same process. This is how we're going to give them to you. We're going to give them to you through Yahoo. Now you can do the same process, whether it's through your Outlook contacts, through your Gmail contacts, any other system that you're using you can import, but we're going to give you the example of Yahoo. So go ahead and click agree. There you go. Bill had already put them in there before because it's the second time we'd shot the video, but what'll happen on yours is it'll come up and say all contacts are imported. Okay, so click cancel on this. Okay. Now what we want to do is we want to go over to friend activity. And right here it will tell you how many people are in your site. Okay, and then what we're going to do later as a higher level technique is we're actually going to show you how to manage those contacts and how to keep this thing moving and keep people connecting with your Facebook fan page. So that gets you set up with your, first of all, you should have your personal Facebook page set up, and then the second thing is what we're driving towards is building a Facebook page for your business. So you've got that accomplished. Great job. It's Trent Warner, Monopoly Builder at Union Savings Bank. Wish you a great day, and we will speak to you and see you tomorrow to build your network. Take care. Bye.